Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to prepare a delicious creamy tapioca pudding. Tapioca is a starch taken from the cassava plant. Tapioca pudding brings back memories and it's one of my favorite desserts. This recipe is simple and easy to make. Let's get started. You will need tapioca pearls for this recipe. There are different sizes of tapioca pearls, but I prefer the small ones, and this is how it looks like. Give it a little bit of rinse. Gently rinse the tapioca pearls using a ladle or a spoon. Drain the water. After that, add a glass of water, and this actually depends on the quantity of the tapioca pearls you're using. But I will leave all the ingredients and measurements in the description box. I'm going to soak the tapioca pearls with water for about 2 to 3 hours just to make the tapioca pearls soft and easy to cook. It's gone past 3 hours and I'm going to pour the soaked tapioca pearls into a pot. As you can see, there is not enough water on the tapioca pearls, so I'm not going to drain the water. I'm just going to add everything to the pot. I'm going to add whole milk to the pot. And you can use coconut milk as well. Sometimes I use coconut milk to make this tapioca pudding. And it tastes so good. At this point, I'm going to add vanilla bean paste. This will give the pudding an excellent vanilla flavor. Cook the tapioca pearls on medium to low heat. And stir continuously to avoid the tapioca pearls sticking at the bottom. If you feeling famished, this is where to be. Cause we got what you like. Food made with love, Zach's Kitchen. We make everything African, yeah. For your food. You will know the tapioca pudding is ready once the tapioca pearls are translucent. And you can also taste the tapioca pudding to test for the right texture. I did not add salt to this recipe, but this is preferable. You can add salt if you want. Once the tapioca pudding is thickened, you can stir occasionally to avoid the pudding sticking to the bottom of the pot. When it's ready, add condensed milk. This is optional as well, but I prefer to add condensed milk instead of sugar. So you can add sugar or you can add condensed milk. So when I add condensed milk, I do not add any sugar because it's sweet enough. Okay, perfect. Look at how beautiful it looks. When the tapioca pearls are translucent and clear, let it simmer for about 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes, the tapioca pudding is ready. You can serve it warm or cold, and you can have it with fruit as well. Oh my goodness, look at that. This is so yummy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. To my new subscribers, thank you for joining us and welcome. And to my old subscribers, thank you all for the support. I really do appreciate it. Please don't forget to click the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. Until the next video, bye for now. Welcome. If you're feeling fabulous, this is where to be. Cause we got what you like. Food made with love, Sax Kitchen. We make everything African, yeah. For your foods and snacks, know that we got your back. Gentle ladies, welcome to Zach's Kitchen.